zoom in and zoom out. Magandang araw po ulit and welcome to another unboxing episode na this time, ang i-unbox naman natin is a motherboard. So, featuring this item, we have here yung ASRock na motherboard. So, specifically, this is an ASRock B550M Steel Legend na motherboard. So, yan yung kanyang series, no? So, i-unbox lang natin kung ano yung meron. Pero before we do the actual unboxing, so syempre, let's have a round up kung ano-ano yung mga information na available outside the box, no? Kung ano yung mga makikita natin dito. So, as you can see from here, this motherboard is Windows 11 ready. Okay, and then this is already compatible with the Ryzen 5000 desktop series. No? So, no need for the BIOS update. So, in-update na po nila yung firmware so that salpak na lang. Alam naman natin na yung 550 na motherboards that is initially designed for Ryzen 3000 series, but when Ryzen 5000 comes in, nagkaroon po ng BIOS update to support those kind of processors. No? Pero here on the box indicated na ready na po yung motherboard natin, so meaning updated na po yung BIOS nito. Okay, so we also have here, yan yung kanyang front panel. So kung makikita po ninyo, ASRock Steel Legend, so based on the color scheme, alam natin na this is one consideration if you're opting for a white build design. No? So yan yung makikita natin sa top. And then on the sides, so still same yung information na makikita natin, okay? And then at the back part, nakaka-indicate dito yung kanyang mga features, no? At least yung mga highlighted features ng ating motherboard, no? So not limited, but not limited to this one, pero yun yung mga gusto nilang i-highlight. So here, makikita natin yung isang picture ng how it looks like. And then from here, yung slots dun sa back panel, ano yung itsura, and then some specifications from here. And then yung nga, yung mga highlighted features is that yung kanyang audio, they named it as Nahimic audio. And then it is also equipped with a 2.5 gigabit LAN. Then yung kanyang MOSFET na 50 amperes. And then it also has an M.2 supported ng 4.0 for SSDs, okay, if you wanted to utilize or gamitin yung that, I think standard na rin naman yun ngayon, ano? And then, there's also a reinforced steel slot. So normally yung primarily na PCI slot is meron siyang covering, no? Standard na rin naman to most of the time, no, across all the motherboard manufacturers. Okay, and then it also has yung polychrome RGB. So polychrome is ASRock's term for the lighting, no? Yung lighting schemes. And then it also features a Nichicon 12K black capacitors. No? So for me, bago tong 12K kasi normally yung mga board na alam ko or yung from my previous knowledge, it features yung 10K na black capacitors. Pero si ASRock, ang inindicate niya rito is yung kanilang capacitors is now yung 12K na black capacitors na yung ginagamit. So, it has coming from 10,000 hours on the lifespan nun. So, this one improves with an additional 2,000. So, coming from 10,000 naging 12,000 na yung lifespan or hours lifespan ng capacitors na ginamit nila on this one. Okay? So, ayan yung mga items yan yung mga features na mentioned on the box. So, let's proceed with the actual unboxing. So, when you open this box, unfortunately, wala na siyang parang sticker, ano, na tinanggal na. Pero siguro dahil ni-request ko na rin kasi dun sa seller na i-update na yung BIOS, and then kinonfirm naman nila na BIOS updated na itong motherboard na to. So once you open this box, ito po yung makikita natin. So meron siyang ASRock na envelope. Okay, parang invitation. Okay, so it's inviting you to open this motherboard and try this case. So what's inside the envelope? Wow, yung walang kamatayang CD drivers. Okay, so talagang talagang yung mga drivers, initial drivers, in every manufacturers or in every item, no, talagang gamit na gamit pa rin nila yung CD or yung DVD-ROM drive. Pero yun nga, wish natin na moving forward, since madalang na kasi yung mga CD-ROM, so hopefully in the near future, makita na natin yung mga items na naka-USB na, nasa USB na yung drives na kasama. No? Wala na tong, mare-replace na itong specific na CD drivers. Okay, so there's also a postcard from ASRock, the Steel Legend series. And then it also comes with dalawang for cable management. So meron silang Velcro dito na included. Ba, okay, dalawa. And then it also has yung set stickers. So if you wanted to give style dun sa inyong motherboard, so meron mga stickers dito to give it more, to make it more presentable. No? Okay, then aside from that envelope, we also have here yung quick installation guide. So medyo makapal siya. Then I think, it comes with multiple languages. Okay, so kaya medyo makapal. So it consists of different languages for the quick installation guide. And then aside from that quick installation guide, we also have here yung software setup guide. Okay, ano itong software? So I think yung mga about the UEFI, and then I think yung mga parang walkthrough na rin sa kanyang BIOS. Then aside from those two manuals, we also have here yung dalawang M.2 na screws para kung gusto nyo i-utilize yung kanyang M.2 na slots. And then we also have here SATA cables, dalawang SATA cable para dun sa inyong mga HDD or SDD na storage options. Okay, and then aside from that, so I think this is the main item of that PC. So aside from those things, we have here na yung actual na or yung pinaka motherboard. So ayan, so nakabalot siya ba? Oh, medyo kakaiba rin yung kanilang packaging, no? Kasi napansin ko lang din dito na yung kanyang mainboard is nakabalot ng styrofoam pa dun sa gilid, no? So meron pa siyang parang cover dun sa sides ng kanyang PCB. Okay? So ayan po yung itsura ng ating motherboard. So naka-cable tie pa. wala akong pang-cut. So siguro for the meantime, hayaan na lang muna natin siya na naka-styrofoam. Okay? So this is how it looks like, yung ating ASRock B550M Steel Legend na motherboard. So this is good for micro 8 since micro ATX yung design. So for micro ATX cases, ito yung pinaka good fit nito. Nitong motherboard nito. Yan. Okay? So zoom in and zoom out. Okay? So maraming salamat po for tuning in, and I hope meron kayong nakuha na basic information with this unboxing video. Thank you and God bless.